seed. Plant the seed and it'll instantly grow into a
Okay, so
treehouse.
what did you draw
Is
so
everyone
far?
ready to play? Let's meet today's guest. It's Marvin the Muppet, and he'll tell us about his problem.
What is that? A wand?
It's a rock.
Could you help me? You're in luck, Marvin. Our marvelous
What is
contestants
it?
are here to help.
See?
And I hope
Ew.
you are too. It's time for our first quiz.
I'm baking a pie and I have to use my pie mold. Could you help me find it?
Look very
What is
carefully
that?
and help Marvin find his pie mold.
Blue?
Is it item
It's
A,
blue light.
B, or C?
Okay.
I don't need a
I thought you were going to make a
Well,
princess.
what item can you bake a pie
I'm
in?
not making princess.
Stop! Sally was the first to buzz. Sally, let's hear your answer.
To bake a pie, Marvin needs to use
Purple.
item B because it's shaped like a pie.
Hala. Who was that? Jaden, you?
Oh,
Yes, it is. Purple? Is that a purple princess?
No, it's a rock. Rock crescent.
A what?
Rock crescent.
What's that?
Rock
strawberry festival and I'm not
A
ready.
rock
Could you
present?
help me?
Yeah.
You're in
A
luck,
rock
Marvin. Our
present?
marvelous contestants are here to help.
Oh, they're
And I hope you are
rocks.
too. It's time for our first quiz.
I'm baking a pie
It's
and I have to
an
use my pie
icon
mold. Could you help me
monkey.
find it?
Look
a
very
bug.
carefully
It's a bug?
and help Marvin find his
Show Auntie
pie
Yvette your
mold.
bug.
Is it item A, B,
Where is it?
or C?
Here.
I don't need a
No, in your
bowl or a
hand.
pitcher.
Well,
Turn
what
it down
item
again.
can you bake a pie in?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Let me see.
Sally was the first to buzz. Sally,
Where
let's
is
hear
it?
your answer.
Here.
To bake a pie, Marvin needs to use
I
item
wanna
B
try.
because it's shaped like a pie.
Hi, Auntie Yvette.
Like you, helping Marvin will be a piece of cake.
Hi, Auntie Yvette.
1-0 Max and Sally, and now make way for the second quiz.
It's a rock chocolate.
A rock circle?
Yeah.
Good job.
Figure out how many egg cartons I need to buy so I have 5?
A big giant rock.
He needs 5.
Wow.
How many more does he need? 1, 2, or 3?
That's huge.
Yeah. It's huge.
Can you make a cookie?
A cookie.
Yes.
Oh, a cookie. I need another one.
Okay, get another paper.
I cannot see the another paper.
Huh?
I cannot see the another paper. There's only orange left.
Get her another. Any color.
What color? White.
White? Okay, use that one. Okay.
It's cool.
It's cool?
Yes, it's a
All right.
I make a cookie.
Good job.
Oh, the pie is ready, but I need all your help to finish decorating it.
What else are you making? Can you make a rainbow?
Yeah.
Touches, Marvin. Whoa! And I hope you are too. If it's hard, ask your parents for help.
Kuya, what are you making?
That pie sure looks good.
I'm
What
drawing.
does Marvin need to put in the empty spot?
I'm
before it's all
making
done?
rainbow.
Let me see.
Cream or an icing leaf?
Hello.
Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Remember, the team that gets this right wins the big prize.
What are you looking at? I need some privacy.
Oh gosh.
Django, everyone to the buzzer. All right, Django, what's your answer?
To put an icing leaf there. No, wait, I'm confused. Yeah,
No markers, Jolie. No markers. Just the pastels.
Who has the right answer?
It's missing a
Can you give her a different color, Kim? You want a different color, Jolie?
Yes.
What color do you want?
I'm gonna different. So like
The extraordinary treehouse seed.
different.
What color is that? What color is that?
they're so sweet. Thanks to you, my strawberry pie will be...
What color is this?
Where is it?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Yellow.
This one.
Purple.
This one.
All your
Blue.
right answers. See you in a
And
jiffy.
white.
She's looking for pink.
I got it this one.
And what color is that?
This one. Blue.
Okay.
Color blue light.
And what are you going to draw?
I draw coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah. See?
Wow. That's the best coconut I ever saw.
Hello, little geniuses, and welcome to quiz time. The
Look at
Quiz for
this.
Kids. Let's meet today's team.
I love it.
Little brother Max
See?
and their opponents, Marvin the Muppet and Holy Crab.
It looks like a cloud.
It's a turbo sled that goes up the hill on its own.
It's a big
As you can see,
circle.
excitement is in
It's
the
a
air.
big circle. Can you draw me a square?
I can't
Why not?
because I make circle.
Oh. What about a triangle?
I can a triangle.
Why not?
Okay. And then
Joe Breeze, our contestants
Can you try?
help you become a super champion, and I hope you'll race toward the right answers with them.
Can you make
Can't seem to find my other skis. I need
um
Find Joe Breeze's
a heart?
yeah,
Go for it.
I make a heart.
Okay, let me see your heart. No, on your white paper.
Oh,
Make a heart.
Know the answer. Whisper it to your parents, not our friends.
I like your colors.
B or C.
oh, I need red
Oh,
for
why do you need red?
because for red.
Why red?
Seem to think
It's
kitchen. So where is our future
I need to make a red. Oh,
It's ski A, isn't it?
green,
Green, why?
green. Oh, I need to make
Let's go back to Joe Breeze, who plays skis on for our second quiz.
I have to race
No,
down to the finish line
it's
at
not.
the end of the trail, but I'm afraid I'll go the wrong way. Could you help me?
That's working. It's working.
And what color is that?
Trail should Joe Breeze ski down in order
What are you
to
making?
finish line. On your marks, get
Blue,
set, go.
like
Is it A, B,
Okay, can you make a heart?
it's balloon.
Oh, it's a balloon.
Balloon like flow up.
It goes up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Another one.
Can you make me a balloon that goes down?
Down.
Yeah.
Down. See?
Oh, that's perfect.
line today.
It's beautiful.
So let's go to
It's
Sally
down.
and Max, who are the
And
faster team.
it's up.
To reach the
Uh-huh.
finish line, Joe Freeze has to follow the yellow line.
It's worthy of a champion.
Down. It's a big balloon.
It's a big one?
It's huge.
It's huge, yes.
I don't want to miss the whistle that kicks off the race, but I'm not sure what it sounds
I love it.
Yeah.
Listen carefully for the whistle sound that our snowman needs to know. Here we go. Is it A, B,
I done. Oh, I need another paper.
If your parents don't know this one, feel free to give them a hand.
Where's another paper?
How are you doing over there, gang? Oh, okay.
Max seems to know the answer. The floor is yours, Max.
The sound coming from the yellow horn.
Let's check on the screen.
Joe Freeze should go once he hears it.
Ah, my boogers.
That's correct. Sally and Max
I cleaning my faces.
You're cleaning your face?
Yeah. Very clean.
Why are you cleaning the oil pastel? Don't clean it. It's not dirty.
You guys did great. And so
It's dirty.
It's not.
Julie, no.
today's action-packed show.
Oh my god, now her paper's gonna be wet now.
Jolie, no, don't. You throw it away now.
So this?
Okay, stop washing your face with that.
You just wash.
Lily, stop washing your face. Listen to me.
I need to clean the.
Okay, don't wash your face with that anymore because you already cleaned the desk with it. Go throw it in the garbage. No, don't clean your face. Don't clean your face.
No! Ita!
Don't clean your face.
Jolie,
She already cleaned the TV stand with all the dust on it, and now she's putting it on her face.
Whoever puts it on instantly becomes a Kung Fu hero. Yoo-hoo! Our contestants can't wait to play.
I'm sorry, but I'm closed right now. So come back next time. When Julie comes back.
You see, I have a tennis match this afternoon, and it's very important. I
Okay, now